Good morning, students. We have a new topic to discuss today, which is electromagnetism. Electromagnetism. Now, electromagnetism is the phenomenon of producing a magnetic field by passing electric current. That means we can also produce, or you can also make a magnet, an artificial magnet, you can say, by passing current to an iron bar or to other magnetic materials. So this phenomenon is called electromagnetism. Now in order to prove, we can take a wire AB and pass electric current to this wire. This is the battery given and this is the direction of the current flowing. What we can notice that some magnetic field will be produced around this AB, and to show that we can have a magnetic compass. As soon as the current goes into AB where it is producing a magnetic field, we can notice some deflection on this magnetic compass. This movement or deflection in the magnetic compass gives an idea that there is a magnetic field produced in a conductor AB. This is a phenomenon called electromagnetism. Let us now see some conclusion based on this. The first is that we can increase the strength of the magnetic field so produced by increasing the strength of the current. Second, we can change the direction of the magnetic field lines or the polarity so formed by changing the direction of the current. So these two are very important fact what we can notice by changing the amount of current and the direction of the current. Let us now see some magnetic field due to straight wire or circular coil and solenoid. First is magnetic field due to straight conductor. For this, you have to take a cardboard where we can make one hole at the center and pass a straight wire through this hole and pass electric current with the help of the wire with this battery. Now we can notice that this wire AB will become an electromagnet or will become a magnet and will also produce magnetic field, and we can notice here the magnetic field produced will be circular rings. This becomes the direction, this is the magnetic field lines. We can also have the direction of the magnetic field lines, but for this there is one rule called right hand grip rule. So right hand rule states that when we hold the straight wire carrying current such that the thumb points the direction of the current, then these encircled fingers will give the direction of the magnetic field lines. So on applying the rule on this, we find the direction of magnetic field is in the anti-clockwise direction. This is given by the rule right hand grip rule. We have another magnetic field lines which is due to circular coil. For this you have to take, this is for the circular coil. You have to take a cardboard where you can make two holes and pass wire through it. Again, on passing the current, we can say that magnetic field will be produced, and this magnetic field will be the circular rings at the two extremes. These are the magnetic field lines, and straight line will be at the center. We have this direction of the magnetic field lines. We will also see the magnetic field lines due to solenoid in the next class. Thank you.